Solution Astrology. This is Satish Kumar, astrologer, specialist in color solution. And this video is particularly for Aries people regarding Saturn retrogression. Whether this Saturn retrogression is going to impact on this Aries people and give this malefic effect or benefic effect. This I am going to tell in this video. Before going into the video, those who have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe and keep connected with me. And don't forget to press the bell button and choose the all option also, so that you will be getting my videos on your notification. And end of this video, you will get that inexpensive way of remedy tips also. That I will tell you, and I will explain in the end of the video what is the remedy and how it is inexpensive one. Okay. First we will see this Saturn retrogression period. If we see that retrogression starts on May 23rd, 2021 at 2:50 p.m. and ends on October 11th, 2021, 7:47 a.m. Okay, if you ask me whether this Saturn retrogression is going to give the malefic effect or benefic effect to the Aries people, I can say that it is going to give that malefic effect to the Aries people. Because in Vedic astrology there is a rule, that is, any planet it's placed in its own house or in an exalted position, when it gets retrogrades, it gives that malefic effect only. So this is the Vedic astrology rule. So as per this rule, now that Saturn is placed in Capricorn and it is own house also, so there it gets that retrogression. So it is going to give one malefic effect only. And if you ask me whether this malefic effect is going to impact on all Aries people, I can say yes, it is going to impact on all Aries people. But some set of Aries people, they won't feel this impact. And some part of Aries people, they will feel much of this impact. Why this is happening? Normally, if you see, this common and general predictions will impact only 20% on you, because this common and general prediction is made based on the moon, where rest of the 80% of the impact will be coming from your own horoscope. What dasa is running, what under dasa is running, and the dasa ruler as well as the other dasa ruler, where it is placed in our horoscope, whether it is in a good place or bad place, and whether it will give malefic effect or benefic effect. In that way only those 80% you will be getting the impact. So if anybody's horoscope is having that good dasa and good under dasa, they will get the 80% of the benefic effect, where this 20% of the malefic effect will not impact much. Whereas some people, if they have a very bad dasa means what? The dasa ruler is placed in a bad position in his horoscope. So if he gets a bad dasa or bad under dasa, then 80% of the malefic effect that already he is getting, where additionally this 20% will be added. So 100% malefic effect he will have, and he will suffer more. For better understanding, just I will tell you, a big businessman who is doing around 1 crore turnover, where this Saturn retrogression gives the malefic effect that he will be getting the loss of 10,000 rupees. This 1 crore turnover businessman, the 10,000 loss will be an ignoring one. Whereas the small businessman who is doing around 20,000 rupees turnover, if he gets the same 10,000 rupees loss, how much impact will be on him? So this is the difference. The big businessman means what I told, that good dasa and under dasa is running. So this small businessman will have that bad dasa, bad under dasa will be having. So okay, come to the point that how this Saturn retrogression is going to impact on Aries people. And this is the awareness video only, because I will tell you that how it is going to impact on Aries people, on involved activities it is going to impact. So, so you can take that necessary step as a precaution. So just I will tell you, Saturn is placed on the 10th house from Aries. If you count from Aries, this will be the 10th house, the Capricorn. The 10th house represents name and fame, as well as the career, as well as karma. Okay. Then Saturn from 10th place, it gives the aspect to 12th place for Aries, and 4th place for Aries, and 7th place for Aries. So 12th place is represents for unnecessary expenses, disturbance sleeping, and the abroad. And the 4th place, if we take, there it represents mother, house, vehicle, as well as the comfort. And the 7th place, it represents the life partner, business, and friends and partners. Okay, so these are the places where this retrograde Saturn gives the aspects. So how it is going to impact, just we will say, I have told that already the Saturn retrogression will be giving malefic effect only. So if it gives that malefic effect in the 10th place, then your career problem will be in the career, as well as in your business, as well as the unnecessary expense will happen. Okay, there will be a disturbance sleeping. And if you are going for new constructed house, or if you are going to construct a house, or if you are going to register a house, or if you are going to buy a new vehicle, so those things actually will not give the success, because this 5 months period, because this retrogression happens 142 days if you count, and approximately it is 5 months. In these 5 months, please don't go for any land registration or any constructing houses, as well as to buy any new vehicle or old vehicle or second hand vehicle also. Whatever the things that you go, that normally the trouble will be coming these 5 months. If it is possible, leave this 5 months, then you can do and you can get the victory also. And the 7th place, as I told, that business, and in the 10th place also it's a career one. So 7th, then a partnership, 7th place represents partnership also. In the partnership also there will be some trouble may happen in these periods. So go smoothly with your partners, and whatever the problem is there, just you sit with him and discuss and try to sort out. These 5 months, it's a very difficult period for the people who are doing business, and particularly the people who are doing the business in the abroad countries. They will be getting some troubles. So further investment and developing that business, don't go for this next 5 months and leave it, because if you take care of the current position, it is very better. Because if you go and try invest something, and getting loan and investing something, but you may not be repaying the loan also, those problems you will be getting. So unnecessary problems may occur. So this Saturn retrogression, definitely it is going to give the malefic effect to all Aries people. But as I told that some Aries people that they may feel, but somebody will not feel. Okay, because of their personal horoscope. Okay, I told that in the end of this video, I am going to tell that inexpensive way of remedy. Yes, I will tell you. If you know confirmly that this Saturn retrogression is going to impact on you with a malefic effect, or already on your own horoscope, if you are suffering because of this Saturn, already if you are suffering means, just avoid the black color. This is a Saturn's color, which is a black one. So totally you avoid this black color, not only in dresses, but whatever the things that you use in your day-to-day life. And if you are, if in a compulsion, just if you want to go for constructing a house, or to buy a vehicle, or to start a business, or to discuss with the business, or if you want to go to abroad, don't choose this Saturday. Avoid Saturdays. And if other days that if you can do means definitely can do, but don't use this sunny horas. Avoid the sunny hora. What is hora? Just I will put in the separate video for this hora. And if you want to know the timing of the hora for every day, just you can put in the Google the hora timing for the place which you are living, or your native place also you can find out. So you avoid this sunny hora, as well as the date like 8, 17, 26. In these days, don't go for any initiation or to start any business or something. So by avoiding this, definitely you can safeguard yourself from this Saturn malefic effect. 100% I can say, because this I have suggested to many people and they have experienced also, and they have given a very good feedback, and which I am practicing for the past 8 years in this. And I have given the solution for many people and they got benefited, which is an inexpensive way. Because normally if you see, if you go to the astrologer, they will be giving the remedies like a puja or some other things which will be expensive one. This normally that you may be wearing the dresses and the things normally that you will be using in your day-to-day life. In those things, just you are going to avoid the colors which is not suitable for you, and you are going to use the colors whichever is suitable for you. So this will not expense actually. Normally will not expense, normally that you may be wearing and using the things. Okay. So this inexpensive remedy, wholeheartedly just you follow it if you are really suffering because of Saturn. And if you don't know that whether you are suffering because of this Saturn or not, you have another chance. Just after seeing this video, give in the comments box your date of birth, time of birth and place of birth, and your zodiac sign as well as the star. This 5 information just review, and you will get the reply whether the Saturn impact, the malefic impact is on you or not, and which color to be used and which color to be avoided. Those reply definitely that you will be getting from me. So just give me this 5 information and get benefited. So if you like this video, just press the like button. As well as those who has not subscribed this channel, please subscribe and be connected with me, and don't forget to press the bell button and choose the all option. So I will see you in the next video, and this is Satish Kumar, astrologer, specialist in color solution. Thank you.